Hello everyone, and welcome to another video about XAF Blazor in specific. So today we're going to be talking about something that has come up a lot since we started. We have done a lot of offline synchronization, and Roger has a series of articles in his blog that he goes about the concept and the principle of the data synchronization. But in this case, we need to basically do a simple offline synchronization that we see a lot in applications where there is a technician that goes to a remote side of the country and they have to do some work over there, or any of those locations where the reception is really bad. So we have done this like for technician, for time clubs and so on. So, and we have done it with Maui, we have done it with Windows Phone. So in this case, we're doing it with Blazor WebAssembly. And the idea here will be that they actually, from their XAF Blazor app, go to the Blazor WebAssembly app, install it. If it's in a tablet, if it's in a laptop, they actually have it in his home screen. And then from there, we are using Software API. We log in, get the token, and then just basically synchronize just a small subset of our data. So, Jose, do you want to show a little bit what we have here?
So it is idea. Let me show you the application running. Whatever it is here. Okay, so basically this is a normal SAF application. There is nothing important on this one. And there is like the only thing that is here is that the web API is enabled, and it's enabled for the entity customers because you have to tell which entities you want. So basically what we did is to embed a WebAssembly application that we can launch in the browser. This one you can actually install locally. And since I have it installed already, it asks me to open. If not, it will ask me to install. So this is the local application that is running in my desktop. And in here I can say, okay, I want to add customers. So Javier, Joe, and Pedro. Okay, so first here I have this action. I use it to test. Basically, I use it to test if I can log in code to the web API. And of course, it's possible. So after that, you have just this send button that doesn't have any, doesn't reflect anything. But here, if we refresh, all the data is here. So basically, now we have a local app, which is a Blazor WebAssembly app that can communicate with the backend as SAF Blazor and use the web API from SAF to do this exchange of data. So
Yeah, and
that's basically
the idea here is to show the building blocks. At the end, when there is an offline application, we're going to hook into the reconnecting event. And while we are completely offline, we basically are just working in local storage. But as soon as we reconnect, as soon as we detect connection, then we send the data back. Right here, we're doing manually with the send button, but that can be automated. All right, that will be all for this video. Any extra comment, Hoshin?
no, I mean, just like right now, it's way easier. We have done this scenario before in Net 6, which was the first one who support this type of scenarios. And now the code is more simple. It works better, I would say. So it was less trickery to do it like in between. So that's basically it. This is Net 9.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.